Hey everybody, this is Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Today I'm going to show you why your car might not be starting after you jump started it backwards. That means you put the positive cable on the negative terminal and the negative cable on the positive terminal on one of the cars. It's not good for the electricity to flow backwards through a car's electrical system. Worst case scenario is you fry the computer, but best case scenario is that the main fuse blew before anything else happened. So before you pay for a tow truck and a diagnostic fee at a local shop, check the main fuse because it might be really cheap and easy to replace yourself. Here's how they often are on Hondas. Different manufacturers will do the main fuse different ways. On Hondas, it's usually inside one of these large multifuses. Sometimes there are multiple block fuses on one car, but usually the main fuse is going to be the highest amperage fuse in one of those block fuses. Most cars I've seen is 100 amps. Replacing a Honda multifuse is pretty simple. There's one or more bolts that are 8 millimeters. They may also have a Phillips head inside them, but with how tight these are, you're safer just to use an 8 millimeter socket. And then once you've removed any bolts, there's usually a tab on the side, which you just need to pull aside with a small screwdriver or even your fingernail. And then you can pull the fuse straight out. Then the new fuse just clips right into place and put the bolts back in. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel, follow me on social media on Facebook and Instagram, and read the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.